Hi guys, and welcome to another Coding with Grace tutorial, and today I'll be showing you how to install Tailwind CSS into a Create React app. So we will start by going into the code editor of your choice, and then we'll be going in and we'll be creating an app with Create React app with Create React app. So we do npx create React app, and we'll call it Tailwind React. Yes, we'll just wait till it downloads. So to install Tailwind, we're just going to tailwindCSS.com, and so we just go in here, and we can press on Get Started. So we'll wait till the React app thing has downloaded, so we can start installing Tailwind into the app. Okay, so now it's done downloading and installing. We can now cd into the React app here, and we'll do npm start just to show you what it looks like, and then we'll open up the Create React app here, and wait till it starts here. Voila. Okay, so next step would be to npm install Tailwind CSS. So we'll cut the React app, and we'll just type in that commando. There we go. And the next will be npx Tailwind CSS. Right, and this creates a Tailwind CSS config file called config.js, and we'll just copy this into the tailwind.config.js file. Sorry, we'll remove that, and then we'll put this in the main CSS file. So in this case, it would be the index CSS, I guess. And we'll put it at the top there, like this. It could be global CSS or the main CSS file. Right, and then all we have to do now is we'll start the npm install here with npm start the Create React app now, and then we can go and check if it works. So let's put something like flex. There we have it. And we could write flex col, see if it does anything here. Yes. Flex row. Maybe change the color of the text here, so we can write text blue 600. Maybe not that one. Let's see if it works on this. There we go. So that's how you install Tailwind CSS into Create React app. Thank you so much, guys.